My name is Kevin, and when I'm here, I box with Justin. One of the things I like about Bare Essentials Fitness is it's really comfortable being here. You don't feel like there's a lot of egos thrown around, and you can just come in, you can do what you want to do, you can have fun while you're doing it, and I enjoy myself when I'm here.
Hi, my name is Kat, and I'm a yoga instructor here at Bare Essentials Fitness. So having been a part of the personal training here at Bare Essentials Fitness, I would really recommend it to pretty much anybody. I feel like I've reaped a lot of rewards through the strength and agility training that I've done with Nate and the other classes that I've taken here. It's really helped me with performance in other areas of my life. As an instructor, I really have this intrinsic value to the work that I do, and I feel like Nate and Justin and the team here at Bare Essentials Fitness really have that as well, so it's a special thing to be a part of. The environment that they've created here is very natural. It's more of an internal shift as well, and I just really value that. And I guess I think that the best things in life make us sweaty, so come to Bare Essentials Fitness.
I like taking classes at Bare because I can only push myself so far, and you guys push me a lot further than I can push myself, and I need that kick in the butt to keep me going. I worked out at Planet Fitness, and they got rid of all their weights. I worked out at the Y. I could never flip tires or push a sled like I can at Bare Essentials.
I am a seasonal camper at Powderhorn Campground in Old Orchard Beach, and they come to the campground to work with the campers, and through that I decided to reach out and come join them in their facility here, and I come here now through the summer.
I'm a high school wrestler, and I come to Bear Essentials because it's a good workout on and off the season.
Bear Essentials is different for a variety of reasons. First and foremost, the 24-hour access is something that not a lot of gyms around here offer. Secondly, there's always trainers here during the day. They're always more than willing to help you with any questions you might have or any problems that you run into. Third, the equipment here is stuff that people really aren't used to in the sense of a regular everyday gym. The stuff that we focus on here is more about functional strength and mimic tasks that you do at your job, rather than focusing on unilateral movements that really don't benefit you in your everyday life.
Hi, my name's Caleb, and I'm a high school athlete. Justin and I have been working on athletic performance by increasing power in the hips.
I would recommend personal training to anyone, regardless of their fitness level and how long they've been training. I started training with Nate. He laid out a program for me. I not only got stronger, but I got faster, I got more confident, I was thinking clear, and I was training less. And I would recommend personal training to anyone. It really doesn't matter if you're an advanced weightlifter, power lifter, if you're an advanced athlete, or if you're someone who's just off the street. Personal training is really going to help you reach whatever goals you may have.